in a URB in 2012 during the campaign for schools program. Yes. Very good. But they can watch the implementation problem when encounter certain challenges. On you step back and say no again deke na kinda akorenga achieve my objective. I go the other way. I'm a mocho are inadequate. I wake up and to what you are doing. Ebi ndongo kosumbu akere abantu baba ndiko kura chinduru ga iganga again. Because pa tota itukira na mayota venga no kende kanga wane to akeligereli via tomanye gosen to konya abantu baito. Okay. Nyina mangana housing. Again, they can only do to actually, probably will be better with a voluntary contribution scheme. People can make it compulsory and so on and so forth. Then to Ajaka, with that device of expert, they told you with circles now and the back mobilized resources to see was then to check a system you okora enhancement of housing in the country. You have started implementing something. You step back and look at it and say, that is where the problem is. Especially
so are you saying housing in the project in there?
No, it isn't. I mean, why? That is why the model to which we wanted to settle on is the voluntary model, voluntary contribution, where ayulio tagete nyumbani koro mokoli mu western kali kosonye kole mokoli mu private sector where register says scheme is all na chichibeza chiko chikoenda up in you getting house onye tutagete nyumbani kundi ngiko na chichibeza to no akaje nyumba ya usuneka sasa takwenda kwa akaje suneka onye kudate kupange bintu byao onyansi yongo gaika ochikwa akaje nyumba yao otogo chwa akaje nyumba yao Zimbabwe ngiko na chichibeza enyombo tali ochikomenya
Waziri mangana mange tatukwande goro ya mangano burai. Your leadership